collecting this to... Yes, because I have power. I hold your head. Do you want me to... Do you want me to pulverize you? No, you can't. What can come for people that can protect you? No weapon can harm you. You can still harm you. I can harm you. Even you control fire. I can torment you. Torment the fire. I can burn your soul. And be one of my... Your hammer not useless for me because that hammer can be melt. So it's made of pure metal. Can't be melt. I can use my dog to kill you, but I let it. Okay, my phone. You're sleeping. I keep sleeping. I think the dog capture.
Okay, that's enough.